Hello guys, today I will teach you 3 facts about Scratch that can be useful. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first one. We're gonna make the sprite circle. With circling I mean like this. So to do this, we're gonna go to the Scratch editor. I named it Cool Facts for a reason. So we're gonna make a variable name called rotation. Or you can also call it something else. I like to call it circling. Also, you need to make it for this sprite only, because else it's going to be in any variables thing and you don't want that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna make is when flag clicked, set circling to 0. So the variable is going to set to 0. I'm gonna show the variable so you guys can see it. So now we're gonna add a forever loop and add change circling by 10. This is what I recommend. You can also change it if you want to. Now you need to add change y by apps. You can change this. You need to change this to cos of circling. Now you need to make a change x. Just copy this. Make it sin of circling. You also need to. You can also add the location you want your sprite to be in. You don't need to do it, but you can do it for a game. Okay, so now the sprite will go in a circle, or we can hide that. So now it's gonna go in a cool circle. So yeah, that was the first fact. It's really nice, but we're gonna keep this, because the second fact is going to be a trail, like a trail if you walk. So if you walk, a trail will appear. To do this, we're gonna use the when flag clicked again. Then let's real quick make a movement. If you don't know how to do it, congratulations, you can copy it. So we're gonna make if key A or key D. You can also change it to arrows if you want to, but I do that. So now do change x by -5 and change x by 5. So now you need to add you need to add another when flag clicked. And now if key, you also need to add a forever loop. If key A or key D pressed, now add create clone of myself. Now when I start as a clone forever, you're gonna add no, never mind, you're gonna add a repeat 20. So what you will do with this is change color ghost effect by 5. You can also change this if you want to. So now in the end you're just gonna add delete this clone so it doesn't duplicate forever. And now if you do it, it's gonna make a trail. But this is a long trail. So to make it a bit shorter, you can also add wait 0.1 seconds to make it better. You can also change the ghost effect so it takes longer to disappear, or even make it shorter. So now it doesn't take that long to disappear. So now you have a perfect cool trail you can use. Okay, the next one is also cool, which is going to be a Roblox chat type of thingy. So you can actually make a chat. The first thing you gotta do is make a list called chat. Make it for all sprites, and also maybe make it a bit more long. Now you're gonna make a new sprite, make the layout look like a chat bar. So it just looks like a chat bar. I'm making it like this, a cool gradient. So now you're gonna add a text that says click here or press whatever button you want to use. I'm gonna use C for chat. Click here or press C. So now you can just add, you can just make when this sprite clicked, you're gonna add an ask nothing, or you can add what do you want to say. You can also add that if you want to. And now you can make an add answer. So this will then enter the chat. So if you click, you can just add something to chat, and it will come over there. Also, you don't need to make that thingy, so you just have this thing. Okay, what you can also do to make it even say, oh wait, we forgot something. When seek key pressed, just do the same as when sprite key pressed. Now you can also do it when the seek key pressed. So yeah, also what you need to add is when flag clicked, delete all of chat, so it deletes. Also, to make it say, you can actually add a broadcast. When the sprite clicked broadcast message 1, you need to delete those and move them to this sprite. So when flag clicked, no, wait. When I receive message 1, ask nothing and wait. But now just the same thing again. So now you can also add and say answer for as many seconds as you want. I'm gonna do 1.5. So now if you chat, it will even say that. So now you can say hello, I'm the Scratch Cat. So yeah, it's also a cool fun trick if you want to make a Roblox-like game. So, well, thanks for watching. It was nice teaching you some cool facts about Scratch. Well, bye.